Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make circle orthodontics. We begin with a comprehensive initial examination, assessing your oral health, teeth, and jaw alignment. Diagnostic records, including X-rays and three-dimensional imaging, are crucial for precise planning. Your orthodontist then develops a personalized treatment plan, setting clear goals for correcting bite issues and enhancing your smile's overall aesthetics and function. This foundational step ensures a tailored approach for your unique needs. Next, we focus on crafting your custom appliance. Small brackets are precisely bonded to each tooth. Then, arch wires are carefully selected and custom bent to guide your teeth. Orthodontists use specialized pliers for intricate first, second, and third-order bends, ensuring accurate tooth movement. Modern digital tools can also assist in designing the ideal arch wire shape, ensuring a perfect fit and effective treatment. With the brackets in place, the custom-bent arch wire is carefully inserted into their slots. This initial placement typically takes a few hours. Following this, you will have regular adjustment appointments, usually every 4 to 8 weeks. During these visits, the orthodontist makes precise adjustments to the arch wire, gradually moving your teeth into their planned, ideal positions, ensuring steady progress towards your desired smile. The ultimate goal is to achieve a stable, functional, and aesthetically pleasing arch form. Throughout treatment, precise wire bending refines individual tooth positions for optimal occlusion. Once this desired arch form is established, your braces are carefully removed. The final, crucial step involves wearing retainers, which are essential to maintain your corrected tooth alignment and ensure the long-term stability of your beautiful new smile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.